ka Nongbah Shillong kalayo saya kawe ke jaka di shaka ka thymmai jongka company ka bana Japan ka Honda ka balai kerteng deka Shadap Honda ka badana mau blay ka badai try rau ba bahaku par Shadap ya ketika jaka di shaka ka badai ru ka dealership ka baningkong jongka Honda Nongbah Shillong layo ban plia ka sing sajan ka arpo tarik jaleu arjana posau dau Yogesh Mathur ubadai director sales and marketing Honda Motorcycle and Scooter India ki he company Honda bahaku par Shadap berkibahi ngasem ki staff berkiwe-kiwe. Hakan negas ngipli kila IT senonru ya kawe ka tuk-tuk berkawe ka skuti, syaki customer ki bala the dikini ki arsyaka hakan negas ngi. Hakan neka company ki dan borok saujat ki model haka skuti, bagan tuhup ka aktiva berdeyo. Ke basispa ash posisi, berkumjuru ka aktiva berdeyo basispa arpsan sisi. Kat bah ka motorcycle ki dan kendai jat ki model, naru ki basispa ash posisi, haru ki ba arspa sisi. Haba keren syakilap pathai kubor umatur walaupun poy ke jingkemen ke basika daya. Bani upli ke nika showroom di Arsyaka. Kebaningkong jongka company Honda Nongbah Shillong berka dealership ke ba arpasan ka thain syatila mingi jongkari India. Nakaliang ba bahaku par Shadap ulapan pawe ke jing songkmen bani upli ke nika showroom Honda ka ba ulang nur las lembha. Ulai wer berkentui ki pajba bakin pai khmat ban thi dik niki Arsyaka ki skuti berki tuk-tuk ki balong ki mar ki babha kat ku ka jinglap ju ku ubreu ubadan ru iki we ki showroom di kalia ke Nongbah Shillong.
Each and every one of you to this special occasion for the inauguration of the Honda two-wheeler showroom and workshop. I would like, we are happy at the same time proud to announce that Shadap Honda is the first dealership of Honda motor vehicle and scooter India. First and foremost, I would like to appreciate my father, for his effortless perseverance, coupled with his strong determination to make this dream a success. And yes, to you too, Mom, for supporting him in order to make this dream a success. It's an honor to have in our midst the Director of Sales and Marketing, Mr. Yogesh Mathur, the Operating Head of Sales, Mr. Ashish Chaudhary.
Thank you. Very happy to be there.
The General Manager of Sales, Mr. Krishna Kumar Nayak.
First of all, good morning to all of you, and thank you for joining in today. And today we have a memorable day here when we are starting our new journey in Meghalaya by inaugurating our first dealership of Meghalaya, Shadap Honda. So, congratulations to Shadap. Meghalaya is a very, very important state for us, and especially in the northeast. We are expanding our footprint, and with our current lineup of the product, we are very much sure that we will be definitely exciting all the customers here. And this is first dealership in Meghalaya and 25th dealership in the northeast of India. So we are starting this journey, and Mr. Shadap is a local person here, and he is a very, very known businessman, and he has got a lot of good customer base available here in his previous businesses, and we are sure that all the customers of Honda will definitely get a lot of good experience both in sales as well as in the service here, because he is a person who is always keen to provide best of the services to the customers. So along with the quality of the product, the best of the services can also be derived from the Shadap Honda. So we congratulate him and wish him the wonderful journey ahead. Thank you so much. Yeah, this is the first dealership. We did not had any previous assignment here. Maybe during previous company of Hero Honda, at that time probably you must have seen it. But as a Honda, this is the first dealership which we have inaugurated today. See, Northeast is very different market than rest of the Indian market, and the customer like here very attractive kind of a product. And in the current lineup of our all product range, we have enough of the range available which can really excite all the customers here in Shillong and entire Meghalaya. And our expectations is very, very huge. And certain part of Northeast, we are already enjoying almost 50% of the market share. So we are looking forward to have the similar kind of feat here in Meghalaya as well once we are starting today. As I said that you're right, people prefer such kind of a good power and pickup vehicle here along with good style. So our lineup is having almost all the range available of our product, and we are sure that once the customer take a ride of these bikes, they will be very much happy in terms of the performance of the vehicle, and we are sure that they will definitely start loving Honda brand. So Northeast currently is a very challenging market because, as I said, this is the 25th dealership in Northeast. So geography and topography of this entire state and the country is very, very different and difficult for us to expand right now. But wherever we have expanded, we have got very, very good response across all the northeastern state. And this year, we have already increased our market share by around 5% within first 2 months itself. So once the supplies are increased from our side, the acceptability of the product is getting very good. And we are expecting that within this year, we will become number one in the entire Northeast. See, as far as unique selling point is concerned, I think we will only say that rather than we speak anything about our product, we would invite all our customers and potential customers to come, take a test ride and feel the product on their own. We need not to talk too much about our products because wherever we have launched, we have got very, very good responses. Like I said, Manipur, almost having 50%, 44%, 55% market share we already enjoy. So in hill stations, what is more important is in terms of the pickup, the initial pickup and the power of the vehicle, and which is best in the class in the entire range of the product. So we have got 100cc till 1800cc of the product. Currently, Shadap Honda will be delivering till 200cc, from 100cc to 200cc. And this entire portfolio has got very attractive features, which is best in the overall class, along with the best in the mileage also. So not only feature, with the performance, the mileage also plays a big role here because the fuel prices are going to the roof. And within that particular thing, if the mileage is good, performance is good, style is good, I think everything we'll talk about from the test ride which customers will take. It plays a major role, and we have seen in last few years preferences of the people has shifted towards more towards finance part, and pan India our finance ratio is close to around 55-56%, and we are expecting almost similar kind of finance here. And today we just inquired, there are 5 finance partners who have already started business here, and they are, one of them are the local bank, MRB Bank. So MRB Bank is a local bank. Apart from that, we have got IDFC, we have got Chola, we have got Tata Capital, Shriram. So these are the players which will be, and as well as Bajaj Finance. So they are all available here. So a lot of good finance schemes are available to all the customers, and they can definitely take benefit of attractive finance offers which we currently have at our dealerships.
Cái question của bạn quá, rằng mà không businessman inon kami man kêu nunggu ke pos, thì ngihapan pedro yang model company PWT baru Honda, one of the #1 company in India to list kat kami jing siam jonga, thì ngasiam ki product jong kilong namkon dia miki weru ki bangala di ya kata kilong naga jong internet naga jong bah naga jong ka size jong ka scooty thì là cái bike mà page but hadin mengila sim ya kan ni siam baru ngitip Honda India karega company was di bahai tulas but kibiri become jet bahai kam tam langi page ga jaka ka bahasa South Indian route iska bah shit kat no route kimbiran batara overhead ken ta kiyai ba te ngi Shillong ru isangin aku ala aslam kan ya hadin bat company ka kamla man ai mar bagi pun ki jing check ka ki be de bat ka man kamong sutui ka #1 company kam page karang islam man rai ka te abi nyanum la man ong bat kon dia mi be mo kan ki mo ko mar ba ri jong ngai bro ko ba tanga ngai ko andaru ibon no bes na kapan because mar bro ki sewaban ya pe demi ni ko jo tanga ta flash ko
Thank you.